How to contact Citibank customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can contact Citibank's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact the Citibank customer service, now this video will be exclusively for the Citibank that lies in the United States and not other regions, but I will also show you how you can find them. So first open your browser and search for Citibank customer service. The one with the domain that says .com is the one for US, and underneath you can see .com.au. This is for Citibank in Australia and other regions as well. So tap on Citibank customer service over there, and you'll find various options on this particular case. You just have to be patient and wait. If you have your online or your mobile banking account, you can go ahead and then log in, or you can say contact us, and you can see various numbers for various issues. So for Citi Cards, you can call this number. For general support and servicing for Costco, anywhere Visa, you can call this number. For a business card, you can call this number. For servicing Costco, you can call this number. And for servicing cards, you can call this number. So these are the ways on how you can directly contact the Citibank customer support. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.